Hey guys, TJ here with HD Pocket Doors. We're at a house here in Paradise Valley, and all the doors that we put in here have archways on them. This is a full arch radius pocket door frame, and we build the arch radius into our frame so that after we're done installing the frame, or you guys install the frame, you hang the door, put your jamb on, your trim, and you could get a look like this. So it's important when you're doing an arched pocket door that you remember you're covering up 3/4 of the back of the door. You're also covering up 3/4 of an inch of the top of the door. We recommend adding a stop on the front side so that you could cover up 3/4 of the front of the door. That way when your door is in the closed position, you have a uniform design. This is a really cool design. Not a lot of people know that we have the capabilities to make an arched pocket door frame. You can see just how smooth and sleek this one looks. Obviously you got the soft open, the soft close, the jamb matches the door. When you put one of these arched pocket door frames in, the door has to go in before your arches go in. So if you were to put our frame up, you would need to leave the arch track covers off, hang your door, then you can put your arch track covers on, drywall, jam it out, and this is what your end product's gonna look like. Very, very smooth design, especially if all the swing doors in your house are arched. You know, we could accommodate that also. Something else I want to add, we could see here you have a swing door right next to a pocket door. In order to achieve the same height of your head jambs, you're going to want to make your pocket doors a 1/2 inch taller to 3/4 taller, depending on what you have for your jamb thickness. So when you have a swing door, as you can see, there's no lap on the top of this door, while there is a lap on the top of our pocket door. If you're getting into really complicated situations where you want all your head jambs to line up, you want everything to be the same elevation, you need to take into consideration making your pocket doors a little bit taller. That way you can have the same reveals on both doors. I think this application here looks really cool, especially when the door is closed, everything's uniformed. When we do the arched radius track covers for you guys, we also paint everything black on the inside. You're not going to see bare wood, you're not going to see regular aluminum colored track system. We use the black CS HDPD track for this one here. When you get the kit from us, it's going to be pre-painted black already. It's going to be very hard to notice any of the track or hardware as you're walking through one of these arched pocket door frames. Cursive Carpentry is the trim carpenter that hung this door and jammed this out. He did a very good job. This is a very sleek, awesome looking pocket door. The hardware installed is very nice. Everything matches. Shout out to Michael Eddy, Cursive Carpentry. He did a stellar job here on this.